What if every meeting you had instantly turned into a finished report, a presentation, even a podcast, without you writing a single note? That's exactly what TicNote Cloud does. And honestly, once you see this, you're not going back. Welcome. If you love discovering new ways to boost productivity and creativity, you're in the right place. You know that feeling after a meeting where everything important just disappears. You know there were key decisions, action items, ideas, but now you're stuck rewatching recordings or digging through messy notes. Now imagine this instead. You open TicNote Cloud, create a project, maybe something like client strategy, and everything you do lives inside that workspace. Your meetings, your notes, your documents, all connected. Then you hit record. No bots joining your call, no awkward AI participant. It just runs quietly in the background. And while you're talking, it's already transcribing everything in real time. You can even drop quick notes during the meeting, and they get synced perfectly with the exact moment they were said. So later, you don't just read notes, you understand the context. And this is where it gets interesting. When the meeting ends, you don't just get a transcript. You get a full breakdown, summary, key points, decisions, action steps, everything structured for you. Now, let's say you're someone who has multiple meetings every day. Clients, team calls, brainstorming sessions. Normally, your knowledge is scattered everywhere. But with TicNote Cloud, everything goes into one project. So instead of isolated conversations, you now have a connected knowledge base. And here's the crazy part. You can ask the AI, called Shadow Agent, questions across all those meetings, like, what decisions did we make about pricing? Or create a to-do list from today's meetings. And it instantly gives you answers, not guesses, actual insights pulled directly from your conversations. So instead of searching, you just ask. Now here's where this tool goes way beyond anything like Otter or Fireflies, because it doesn't stop at summaries. Let's say you just finished a strategy meeting. Normally, you'd spend hours turning that into a report or slides. With TicNote Cloud, you just tell it, create a report, and it builds a full research document. Or turn this into a presentation, and it generates slides. Or even create a web page, and now you've got something you can actually share, all from one meeting. No copy pasting, no switching tools. That's the biggest difference. It turns conversations into finished work. And this next feature surprised me the most. You can literally turn your meetings into a podcast. So if you missed a meeting, or just don't feel like reading, you can hit generate, press play, and listen to everything that happened.
The data shows subscriptions are better for long-term revenue. But you're right, we can't ignore subscription fatigue.
No way! You think people are getting tired of all these monthly payments?
Totally. That's why the $10 to $15 range makes sense.
While driving, while walking, while working out. It's like your meetings follow you, but in a way that actually makes sense. Now think about how much time this actually saves. Most people spend hours every week organizing notes, rewriting summaries, building reports. TicNote Cloud cuts all of that. You record once, and everything else is done for you. We're talking about saving up to 70% of your time, and more importantly, you stop losing information. TicNote Cloud basically turns your meetings into assets, reports, ideas, tasks, content, all ready to go in minutes, not hours. Check the link in the description if you want to try it. And if you want more tools like this, hit subscribe.